Welcome! In this video, we will walk you through how to start a game of Classic Quizlet Live in Individuals mode. Whether you're hosting a classroom activity or playing for fun, Classic Quizlet Live is an engaging way to learn and test your knowledge. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Log in to your Quizlet account. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Quizlet account. If you don't have one, simply sign up at Quizlet.com. If you're already a member, just use your credentials to sign in. Step 2. Select a set of flashcards. Once logged in, choose the flashcard set you want to use for the game. You can either create your own set or browse through millions of existing ones available on Quizlet. Click on the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the topic or subject you're interested in. Browse and select the set that you want to use. Step 3. Click on Live. After selecting the flashcard set, you will see several options to study. Look for the Live button, which is located at the top of the page. Click on the Live button to enter the game setup. Step 4. Choose Individuals mode. Once you click on Live, Quizlet will ask you to choose a mode for the game. Make sure to select Individuals mode. In Individuals mode, every player will work alone, and each player will answer questions individually. Step 5. Adjust game settings. Optional. Before starting the game, you have the option to adjust the game settings. You can choose a team size. In Individuals mode, each player will be treated as an individual, so you don't need to worry about team sizes. Set time limits. You can set a time limit for each round of the game if desired. Make sure to double-check everything before proceeding. Step 6. Start the game. After adjusting the settings, click on the Start Game button. Quizlet will automatically assign players to the game and give them the necessary instructions. If you are hosting a game with multiple participants, they will receive a code to join. Each player can join by entering the provided code at Quizlet.live. Step 7. Begin playing. Once everyone has joined, the game will begin. Players will receive random flashcards and they'll answer questions on their own, competing for the fastest and most accurate answers. Step 8. Monitor the game. As the host, you can keep an eye on the game's progress. You'll see the leaderboard and monitor how well everyone is doing. Step 9. Finish and review results. When the game is over, Quizlet will show the final results. You can go over the answers with players to review what was learned. Conclusion, and that's it. You've successfully started a Classic Quizlet Live game in Individuals mode. This is a fun and effective way to learn and test your knowledge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.